In this video, I'm going to show you how to import audio in Pro Tools. Now, there's actually a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you some of the easiest ones. The first one is a simple drag and drop. So when you have your audio, you can simply click and then drag it in like this. And as you can see, if I position it, for example, over here, I can release my button. And as you can see, there we go, it's going to put in the audio, okay? And then the second option is going to be to go to File, top left, and then hover over Import and click on Audio. You can also press on Control plus Shift plus I on your keyboard. It's going to do the same thing. It's going to open it like that. And then you want to find your audio. So I have some audio files on here. I'm going to pick, for example, this part, and I'm then just going to click on here where it says clip, add clip, and then I'm going to click on done, and it's going to ask me if I want to put it as a new track. I do, so I'm going to click on here. Okay, and there we go. We have the audio here as a new track. So that's how to import audio. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.